Hey, how you doing, everybody? This is Malik from Build 5K with Malik. I hope that you guys are having a phenomenal day today. And in this video, I just want to talk a little bit about putting yourself in position to win. And I'm having an incredible day today. Just got off of a webinar that we just did. It was about 2.5 hours, had over 100 people on there. And I just love to see people putting themselves in position to win, to have a super successful 2021. And your new year actually starts right now. Like, don't wait for the last day, do a resolution, and then try to prepare for it. Try to prepare yourself right now. And this is one of the biggest seasons right now for actually, business owners and things like that. It's going to be Black Friday, it's going to be Cyber Monday. All of these things are coming up, right? So my question to you is, what are you doing to put yourself in position to win, right? And, if you guys are watching this live, let me know. If you guys are watching a replay, let me know. And also let me know where you guys are watching from, all right? And for those of you guys who don't know me, my name is Malik Amir. I'm a lead generation coach. So I teach people how to make 5K within 60 days so that you can spend more time with your families, all right? And I'm also one of the top income earners in my network marketing company. So in today's video, I just want to talk a little bit about like how you can put yourself in position to win, right? Because we know that there's a lot of people that are capitalizing on these times right now. The holidays are coming up, and many of the companies out there, they actually do promotions around these times. They have like special giveaways, or they do some type of like, special deals, discounts, all that kind of stuff, right? So what can you actually do to put yourself in a position where you can win with whatever company it is that you may be promoting right now, right? I love to, see everyone having success. And I think that, right now is one of the times that you should be trying to strategize and put a plan together so that you can actually position yourself to be in a position to actually win, right? So one of the ways that you can win right now is by really leveraging social media, right? And when I say social media, I mean specifically leveraging your Facebook and your Instagram stories, okay? Now, these stories are very, very powerful, but most of the time where people miss the mark is that they just want to promote their products and their services, right? But what you should actually be doing with your Facebook stories is that you should be educating people, right? And you should be showing people that there's a way that they can actually, solve their problems through the products or services that you deliver to your target market, right? And this is one of the things that will help you to actually start having more success in your business. And another thing that you can actually do is you can start creating stories that create engagement, right? So that you can get conversations going. Ultimately, people are not buying your products and services. People are actually buying solutions to their problems, and you are the business. So people are actually buying into you, right? So when you create stories that are very, very engaging and people can actually start to conversate with you, that's one of the best ways for you to be able to start a conversation that leads to a new business partner and things like that, right? So don't just focus on selling your products and your services through your Facebook stories. Try to educate people, try to show people why the product or the service that you're using is the solution to their problems. And start sharing your own results, share testimonials inside of your Facebook stories from other people on your team that are having success and things like that. And another thing that you can do is you can start putting like polls and different things like that in your stories where people can actually engage on that. And it's one of the things that will definitely help you to have a lot more success with whatever business opportunity that you may be in right now, right? And when it comes to posting on your Facebook profile, normally you don't really want to post more than like 3 times a day, right? But when you're in the Facebook stories, you have a lot more leeway and a lot more leverage of the things that you can actually do. You can be more creative and you can put a lot more content in your Facebook stories. And it's also right there inside of the messenger box, right? So it's really easy for people to like engage and get a conversation going just based off of you having some really good sequences in your Facebook stories, educating people. And if you had a promotion that was with your company, one thing that you can do is you can start talking about that promotion and educating people on that product days before it actually gets ready to launch or before it takes off, so that people are seeing that storyline and people are following you along that journey. And there's people that will follow your stories every single day, and you'll be able to convert people effortlessly by just doing simple strategies like this. Could definitely help you to put yourself in a position to actually win, right? So another thing that you can do if you want to put yourself in a position to win is you can start doing some challenges, right? inside of your company or inside of your group, inside of your team, whatever it may be. And these challenges will also help to grow your business or to help you promote an opportunity or a discount or something that may be going on in your company, especially right now in these times where it's going to be like the busiest season for holiday shoppers and things like that. You want to be involved in that process, right? So if you're not a person that's really experienced with doing challenges, you can do something that's really short and simple. You can do like a 3-day challenge or something like that, or a 5-day challenge. And I don't know what type of companies you guys are in or what you're offering, but just as an example, if a person was like in a health and wellness business, they could start some type of short challenge where they can help people to be able to lose some weight or something like that. And there can be also special offers or special things that they offer to the clients that are participating inside of this challenge and things like that, right? And I've been successful with challenges. I've done a lot of them along with one of my business partners, and they're very, very successful. And you can also do these in like your ATM groups or things like that, where you have a lot of your people inside of that group that you're cultivating. You can start a challenge inside of one of those groups, and it will really help you to propel your business and just start taking things to a whole nother level. And some of these things are some of the things that I've implemented myself that have really helped me to separate from a lot of other people in the marketing space and just be able to do some really big things and also help a lot of people along the way, right? Another thing that you can actually do, which will help you to put yourself in a position to win, is that you have to be able to create like scarcity and things like that. If people don't see a reason to actually buy your products and services, and there's no type of scarcity or there's no type of urgency there, then people are never going to do it, right? And I'm not telling you to go out there and create some fake lock your spot. Sorry about that, I had a call coming in, but I'm not telling you to do any fake type of lock in your spot or any of that kind of stuff like that. What I'm telling you to do is use the actual promotion that you may have in your company to create that scarcity and to create that urgency and to create that reason to buy. And if you're educating your marketplace constantly through your Facebook stories, through your Facebook posts and things like that, and you're stringing people along the journey, you're showing them the results, you're showing them the testimonials and things like that, then people are going to easily see that this is a solution to their problems, and that sense of urgency is just going to give them a nudge or a reason to actually buy those products and services right now, okay? So I hope that you guys got some value out of this video. I hope that you guys are having a phenomenal weekend. And if you're a person that like really wants to be free for life and you want to put yourself in a position to win, I'm working on something that's really, really big for 2020. I don't know if you guys have even seen it yet, but it's the biggest business of my whole entire life. And I'm super excited because it's going to put me and my family in a whole nother position. And I just want to see other families in that same position and being in that position to win, where you can actually be free for life. You can fire your boss. You can travel the world and have all of the true life and time freedom that you deserve. And you can actually be a person that's living that laptop lifestyle. And that's what I want to see people doing in 2021, right? So I have a couple top positions available. If you guys are interested, then feel free to reach out to me. Maybe we can jump on a strategy session, and I'll be doing some more live videos really soon. But for now, I'm going to go enjoy the rest of the day with my son. And I hope that you guys have a phenomenal weekend. And I'll be doing some more videos again soon, all right? Peace and blessings from Build 5K with Malik.